We're gonna make a creamy cottage cheese sauce that's perfect for your juicy seared chicken breasts. Let's make it together. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share simple recipes like this one, and I show you how to do them step by step. If you're learning how to cook and that's just your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few new things a week. So I've got 2 chicken breasts here that I'm placing on a plastic cutting board. What I want to do is season them well, but before that, I'm gonna take this paper towel and pat it dry. The reason I do that is so my seasoning sticks, but also so they get a great sear. So I'm gonna butterfly my chicken breast, which simply means you take your knife and slice it horizontal through the middle into 2 larger but thinner pieces. What's great about this is that it shaves the cooking time in half, so you can whip this meal up real quick. Now let's season them on both sides with salt and pepper. So I'm heating up my pan over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna take some olive oil and drizzle it. Now I'm gonna place my chicken breasts exactly where I want to cook them. And these are gonna cook about 4 minutes per side. While that cooks, I'm gonna make the cottage cheese sauce in the blender so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to add the cottage cheese, Parmesan cheese for flavor, salt, pepper. I'm also gonna add some cornstarch to make the sauce in the pan nice and thick, and some milk. I'm gonna place the lid in here and blend it until it's smooth. Check it out. Now it's time to flip the chicken breasts over and cook them for another 4 minutes on the other side. Now you know the chicken is ready when the internal temperature reaches 165 with a meat thermometer, and at that point you're gonna take it from the pan onto a plate. But I'm gonna keep these little tidbits and all the flavor from the chicken in my pan because that's gonna make our sauce taste so good. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan and saute my onions. As you can see, I saved some time and I'm using frozen onions. So you're gonna saute these onions until they're nice and golden. At the same time, you're picking up all the chicken tidbits that were left in the pan. They're gonna absorb all that flavor. As the onion cooks, I'm gonna add my Italian seasoning to cook down the spices and also to soften them up. Give that a stir. I'm also gonna use some fresh garlic cloves, but you can use garlic powder too. You can finely mince your garlic with a knife, or you can take a grater and grate your garlic directly in the pan. Don't forget what's left at the bottom of the grater. Add that in. And I'm gonna saute the garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute until it's nice and fragrant. This simple step transforms your cottage cheese sauce into something really flavorful. So now I'm gonna take that creamy mixture and put it in my pan. And as you can see, it's really thick. It's a much healthier version of Alfredo. And you wanna make sure your heat is on medium and stir that up. And now we're gonna take our chicken breasts and add them into the sauce. You wanna get all those juices too. You want to cover your chicken in this sauce. And we're gonna reduce the heat and simmer this for about 5 to 10 minutes to cook it down. Let's plate these chicken breasts with this incredible sauce, and let me show you up close what it looks like. I can just eat this whole thing by myself. So yummy. Get the ingredient measurements right below this video, and if you're into this type of easy sauces and epic recipes that are healthy, check out this next video. See you next time.